So guys, you want to start your candle making business but still have so many questions, so many problems in your mind that how to start, where to start, what are the important points to remember before starting any business, or even how to register your business, from where you will go and register your business. So if you have all those questions in your mind, then this video will definitely help you a lot in solving all your problems. So as you know guys that I'm a candle making artist, so definitely I'm going to talk about candle making business, but you can take the benefit of this video by applying the points and the tips I'm using in this video to any of your business, and definitely this will help you a lot. So stay with me guys, watch the video till end and follow me for information. So guys, without wasting a bit of the time, let's see what is the first point, what is the first key point which you have to keep in mind before starting any of your business. So this is the first key point which you have to keep in mind before starting your business. And why it is important? It is important because if you want to give quality product to your customer, then knowledge is everything. It's time to move on to the second most important key point of starting any business. So guys, once you complete the point number 1 and point number 2, it's time to move on to the third very important and essential point for a business startup. And the third most important point is create a brand. And let's see how you can create your brand. And now, since I'm an Indian, so I can tell you in a better way that in India, the company registration is done under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, that is MCA. And the online registration to MCA is absolutely free. You can register yourself there, and it is very easy to register your company, that even without going anywhere, you can register your company within 7 days online, just online. So follow the rules and regulations of MCA and start your business. Once you understand the point number 1, 2 and 3, point number 4 is equally very important to keep in mind before starting any business. And the point number 4 is budget planning. Yes. To do any business, to do anything, definitely you need a place. Now it is up to you. It all depends on your budget. If you have a good amount of budget, then you can hire any big place or good place, or you can purchase any good area. But if you are not having that much of budget, then you can start this candle making business even from your home, from your kitchen. So guys, I hope that you are taking a lot of information with this video, and I'm trying my best to give you all the important points and information for any business startup. So as we have seen that point number 1 to point number 5 are very important and essential for any business startup, let's see what the point number 6 is. So let's move on to the topic number 7, which is also a very important, and I must say this is the most essential part of a business startup. And the point number 7 is find who is your perfect customer. There are so many customers in the market, but who is your perfect customer? So guys, since we have seen all these 7 points which are very essential and important for any candle making business or any business startup, let's move on to the point number 8. And this point number 8 is equally very important and essential for any of the business startup and for the success of your business. And this point is marketing strategy. Candle making business is always a profitable business, and if you are doing it correctly, if you are using all the right products, then no one will stop you in achieving the success. So always use the right product, the good product, to make your customer feel happy. So guys, I hope that you all agree with me that how essential and important these points are, which I have discussed till now in this video to start any business. And now let's continue and move on to the another very important and essential point to keep in mind for any business startup. The point is pricing your finished product. You have to write down all the expenses which you have made and buying those supplies which is needed to create a beautiful candle. If you have used any courier service, add that charge also. Don't forget to add the labor charge, the time which you have spent in making that beautiful product. So these are the few points which you have to keep in mind before starting, before pricing your product. Hard work is the key of success. We have heard it many times, and these points are actually the hard work which you have to do, which you have to bring in your business to get the success. And here in the next point, I'm going to share some important tips with you all. So do this also, and see, no one will stop you in gaining the success in your subject or in your business, whatever you are doing. So let's talk about candle making, as I'm a candle making artist, but you can apply it to any of your business. So let's see what is the first point. So the first is use attractive packaging for candle or for any finished product. Don't forget to mention the safety instruction. Okay, if you are doing a candle making business, then it is must to mention the safety related instructions on your candle. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button, and I'm waiting for your comments guys, for your question, any of the question related with this video. You can ask me in the comment section, and stay with me guys. Keep yourself safe and be happy, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.